my name is Sydney, and this is my brand new Barbie doll from Starlight Adventure. It's a flying cat!
Hey, Popcorn!
Before you fly Barbie Space Kitty, you are going to need 4 AAA batteries, a screwdriver, and a little bit of help from a grown-up. First, make sure you can reach the battery pack. Just place the battery here and close her back up. Now I'm going to put on the propellers. The pink propeller goes with the pink clip, and the blue propeller goes with the blue clip. You'll know they're on right when the silver is facing up. Now let's attach the kitty's leash to Barbie. There's a button right here behind Barbie's leg. When you hold down the button, the Space Kitty will fly. Make sure your hair is pulled back and not too close to the propellers when the kitty is flying. Make sure you're not flying the kitty close to other people. Don't touch the propellers when the kitty is flying. Sometimes it's just easier to hold the kitty before it flies. If the propellers fall off, it's totally okay. You can just pop them back in.